Let's say we have a sequence, and the first four terms of the sequence are 7, 11, 15, and 19. And we want to find the eighth term of the sequence. How do we do that? Well, first, let's figure some things out about the sequence. We see that this is an arithmetic sequence because each term has a difference of 4. So the common difference is 4. How can we use this? Well, if the common difference is 4, then the fifth term must be 19 plus 4, which is 23. Then the next term, sixth term, must be 27. Then we'll get 31. And finally, we get our eighth term, 35. So that's our eighth term. Now what if instead we add something like 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. And we want to find the 17th term of the sequence. Well, this time, we probably shouldn't just write out all the terms in the sequence because that would take a long time. So let's find a more efficient way. This is an arithmetic series again, arithmetic sequence, and the common difference is 6. So let's do something interesting here. We're going to split up each term into 3 plus a multiple of 6, because 3 is the first number in our sequence. So we're going to have 3, then we're going to have 3 plus 6, then 3 plus 2 times 6, then 3 plus 3 times 6, and finally 3 times 4 times 6, and these are all the terms we're given. So what do we notice? Well, the first term is here. In the second term, we have 3 plus 1 times 6. This is just 1 times 6. Third term, we have 3 plus 2 times 6. Fourth term is plus 3 times 6. And the fifth term is plus 4 times 6. So for every single term, it's our first term plus the common difference times 1 minus that term. So if this is a bit confusing, one way to put it is if we have, let's say the seventh term in this case, would be equal to 3 plus 6 times 7 minus 1. That's just 3 plus 6 times 6. So we can use this information to find the 17th term. The 17th term should just be 3 plus 6 times 17 minus 1, which is 3 plus 6 times 16, which is 99. So now let's try and generalize this. We're going to have a sequence A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and this is going to keep on going. And we want to find, let's write down, find the nth term. So let's do what we did up here. The first term is A. We're going to write like this time. Second term is A plus, we're going to write it as 1 times D. And I'm just going to write, never mind, we're just going to write it as D. Third term is A plus 2 times D, and the fourth term is A plus 3 times D. So the nth term must be A plus n minus 1 times D. And that is our answer. So let's try this formula out. Let's say we have a sequence 5, 11, 17, 23. And we want to find, let's say, the 100th term of this sequence. So I'm going to keep going. Let's start by writing out our formula. A plus n minus 1 times D. A in this case is 5, so we have 5 plus n is 100 because we want to find the 100th term, so 100 minus 1. And D is going to be the common difference. The common difference of this arithmetic sequence is 6, as you can see right here. So we're going to be multiplying by 6. This means the 100th term is going to be 5 plus 99 times 6. 99 times 6 is going to be 594, so that's 599. Thank you for watching. Bye.